Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what we have for Cancerians. We have the Page of Cups, the Knight of Swords, the Temperance, the Three of Wands, the Knight of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the Ten of Swords, the World, and the Six of Swords. Okay, let's see what are the messages from this deck for Cancerians. Okay, Seven of Clubs. Guidance from the angels for Cancerians. Healer of emotion. So Cancerians, there has been a new beginning in your life, and you were very emotional towards that situation or that person, whosoever it was or whatsoever it was, and you just rushed into this situation or this person, whatever it is. You just galloped into it, you rushed in very fast, and this was your it was a reaction to, you just couldn't wait, you didn't have the patience to wait, you just wanted it all and out, and you just rushed into it. Though after that you did realize, perhaps you did realize your mistake, or you did realize as to whatever you are doing is not that right, and you did try to balance the situation over here. But the thing is, you are waiting for something. You are trying to balance the situation and waiting for something. You're waiting for something different, or trying to have a clearer perspective on this situation. But here with the Knight of Wands, again you are rushing towards something very passionately. See, what I am getting here is, yeah, what I see here is that there is a person whom you keep waiting for, and this person just comes in and goes out. It is sort of it is a relationship or a situation, whatever the situation is, it just comes and goes. It's probably a person, and you are just always waiting for this person to come in. You're just waiting for this person to meet this person, and this person comes in very fast, with all the passion, with all the enthusiasm, investing 100% in you, and then just goes away. That's what I feel. And you are just always waiting for this person to come in to meet you. Okay, yeah. So here I see there is a connection over here which you are very emotional about, and this person comes in and goes, keeping you waiting And though you are trying to balance this situation, whatever the situation is, you are waiting and balancing it, balancing your emotions, your brain and heart, whatever it is. You're balancing the situation, but it requires a lot of wait. You keep on waiting for this person, I think. That when is this person going to come and meet you? Something like that. But one more thing which I'm getting here is that you are sort of sick and tired of this wait, or you're sick and tired of this connection. This connection in the sense that you don't want this person to come and go, you either this way or that way, is something which you want. And you perhaps, and with the Ace of Swords, there is a new beginning over here. But and with the Ten of Swords, I see you feeling very, very hurt and betrayed and knocked off. So, and here we have the World card, which is something, the beginning of something new in your life, and Six of Swords, walking away from mental turmoil towards peace. So what I'm getting here is that you are in a relationship in which you are always waiting for the other person to come, because you don't have any control on the situation. Okay, this person is somebody perhaps who doesn't commit to you. Okay, so this is a relationship in which this person just doesn't commit to you, and this person just comes and goes and makes you feel loved and so desired at that point in time, but this person doesn't stay with you. Okay, and so now you are sick and tired of this wait. You want a new beginning for your life, because this weight and this situation which you are dealing with, though you are trying to balance it, is causing you a lot of hurt. Okay, and you want something new in your life. You want to leave all this situation. You want to leave this situation. You want to have something totally for yourself, or you want to come this, perhaps you want this person should commit to you or stay with you, which is just not happening. And you choose, you have that clarity of a new beginning. You realized perhaps that this is not going to work out this way, and you are choosing a different path and turning your back to this situation. Okay, so you're turning your back to this situation because now you have understood, though there has been a lot of emotional drama with this, and a lot of emotional dissatisfaction, hurt, betrayal, whatever it is, you feel betrayed, you feel unrewarded, you feel rejected, whatever it is, you feel bad in this situation. And the new direction which you want to move towards in your life is that you want to turn your back to the situation, and you want a new beginning over here with the World card, and that is what you are doing. You're leaving this situation and moving towards peace. You want peace, you want happiness for yourself, and that is what you are doing. You're leaving this situation. You're definitely leaving this situation, and that's right. Over here with the Seven of Clubs over here, it is a struggle which is going on. I think this is a struggle with the Temperance. You are trying to balance the situation. It is a struggle which is going on as to what to do, what not to do. That is what I feel. This is a struggle which is going on either within yourself or within both of you, as to perhaps you want that person to stay and that person doesn't. Okay, so it is in and out or to and fro type of a relationship. Perhaps this person, maybe there's a phase of life that you two are in a good relationship, and then again there is something doesn't happen, it doesn't work out, it feels as if something is just not happening, and then again it happens, and a to and fro type of a relationship, whatever it is. Healer of emotion. This is the time to follow your heart and feel the fullness of your emotions. You may feel so compelled to nurture others that you forget to take care of yourself. Flashes of intuition provide you with incredible insights. You or the other person is a kind, tender-hearted, loving, and a trustworthy friend. So it is a time to heal your emotions, follow your heart, and do what you feel is right for you. And the way you take care of others, this is the time when you need to take care of yourself. Okay, Cancerians, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.